Birch bark, a little fat wood. Some of the regular wood that we split up. Hopefully it's not too wet. Yeah, we just had a huge thunderstorm today, so everything is wet. Everything. I don't know why I'm out here I'm just bored. Sick of being inside. Winter killed me this year. Figure I'd get out here, do another quick video. Some cooking over a campfire. Why not, right? Some of these on there. Yeah, there we go. First backyard fire of the year. And here I have a bottle of Founders KBS, the original Imperial Stout, aged in bourbon barrels. So, we're gonna give this a try. There we go. All right, so here we go, KBS. I'm not sure where this is made. Barrel aged, Founders Brewing. If I had my readers, I could read the back, but I can't, so wherever Founders is, cheers. Oh, now, hey, now that's good. It's kind of like chocolatey and coffee kind of flavor. I like that. Okay, so I've decided I want to have a fire, cook some food outside because winter, we've had a long, shitty, whoop, can I say that on YouTube? Crappy winter. Just back and forth. We had warm days when we should have cold days where it was raining. We had cold days when we should have warm days. Lots of late snow, like 8 or 9 inches like a week ago. I'm just done with it, need to get outside. But here we are, making food. I'm gonna do some red wine risotto, throw some soppressata in there, and just whatever I had in my pantry, just kind of a conglomeration. But it's gonna be delicious. So here's all the fixings for the evening. Soppressata, red onion, Irish butter, Asiago cheese, salt, water, risotto, black pepper to grind, heavy cream, red wine, olive oil, garlic, and some chicken base. That will be our dinner. Chicken base, make a little stock. Risotto. There we go, it's getting nice and a little golden brown to it. All right, we got the red wine and kind of reduced. Stir up that chicken stock, throw a little in there. Let that do its thing. Stir it up. Put up some soppressata here. I think I'm gonna, should I do slices or should I do cubes? I think some nice thin slices would be nice. That way it's not like every single bite. Ooh, this risotto's looking like it's close to done. Take a little taste. Al dente. Let that sit there. We gotta roast up the onions and garlic now. Soppressata going in. Soppressata going in. Keep some of that fat to cook the onions and garlic. Get a little fresh thyme and chopped up here. We'll throw in that risotto. A little extra flavor. There we go, fresh thyme. Oh man. Cheers. Get that onion and garlic in there. Oh, that risotto looks absolutely phenomenal. Sounds phenomenal. Tastes phenomenal. And add some heavy cream. Oh yeah. Give this a stir. Get this right over the fire. Let that cream reduce a little bit. Thicken it up. When it's done, we'll put a little fresh Asiago on top and we be eating. Big old bowl of risotto. Little fresh salt. Little fresh cracked pepper. And some Asiago. So here we go. Big bowl of risotto with garlic and onion, red wine, cream, chicken stock, Asiago cheese, and sopressata. This is a warm your heart kind of meal. There is so much flavor in this. And even though it's windy, it's still a pretty nice night out here. I mean, I'm not remotely cold. It's got to be close to 50 degrees. Fahrenheit. For all you non-Americanos. Sometimes, lately, I've been a little jealous of non-Americanos because right now, there's a lot of Americanos that are freaking nutso. Off the rocker. I'm just gonna say. Now, I'm all for being a nice guy. I'm not into like ruffling feathers and poking the sleeping bear kind of thing. I just kind of want to live my life. Let me do what I do. You do what you do. But for Christ's sake, I cannot get behind the whole pronoun thing. Why are pronouns so important? He, she, they, them, him, her, us, whatever the fuck. I don't get it. I don't understand why it's so important. How you identify. There's 7 days in a week, and I identify as a different person at least 4 or 5 days a week. The earth is flat too, apparently. I just think all y'all want a little more attention than you deserve. So, I'm gonna up the pronoun thing, one, and say, if pronouns are so important, why aren't adjectives equally as important? Huh? Do you guys know what an adjective is? Did you go through enough school? Did you pay attention in English class? Do you know what an adjective is? Well, let me tell you. In a nutshell, it's a description. It's a describer. So, an adjective would be something as simple as, that's a beautiful tree. The adjective being beautiful. It's a description. So, let's rewind for a second. Let's go back to how humans are currently feeling about their pronouns. They feel like this, they feel like that. Well, you know what? I feel awesome. I feel handsome. I feel talented. I feel strong. I feel motivated. Those are all adjectives. And if you do not address me as any of those, I'm going to be pissed at you. Pissed off if you do not call me by my preferred adjectives. Cheers. Red wine risotto, fresh thyme, soppressata, onions, garlic, heavy cream, Asiago cheese. Basically a heart attack in a bowl. It's delicious. So whatever point you're watching this, morning, afternoon, or night, Bush Food Network, signing out.